right. Open up this watch here. This is something I didn't think I was going to buy, but the price was right, so I jumped on it. G-Shock. This is a G-Shock Master of G Mudmaster. I'll put the ref number up on the screen there. And I needed something that I could wear to work and not be worried that the magnets that I work around are going to destroy. So I was looking for something like this. Not certain that I'll love this watch, but I'll give it a shot. I think this was $130 altogether. I'll go ahead and take off this deep blue and see how it fits here. Doesn't seem terribly large. I guess it's 52 millimeters wide. I don't know if that is to the outside of these lugs, probably. Yeah, solar charging. Something I can take to work and beat up and not really care about. Fits comfortably. Doesn't put any weird pressure on me. Feels quite a bit lighter than the deep blue does. Cool. Now I gotta figure out how to set this thing.